Do you like chocolate? It's not ketogenic. Not yet. That's what we're doing today. I'm showing you some awesome toppings and I'm showing you how to temper it, which is really the only tricky part. I'm so glad you found this video. Before we watch this, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's do this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get a glass bowl, and it's important that we use a glass bowl and not a metal one because we're going to be creating what's called a bain-marie, and that's where we put boiling water underneath a bowl to heat up the bowl in a very controlled and precise way. So I'm not going to cheat you guys and just melt down some already made chocolate for these chocolate bars. We're going to control everything here. This is the base butter, and this is actually just like pure fat, and this is super keto. If you want to make just pure keto chocolate, just cocoa powder and cacao butter, and boom, you got it. So this is the beauty of the bain-marie. It's not going to overheat, and we're going to actually use a thermometer, and when we see bain-marie hits 95, simply take the bowl off and keep stirring it until the temperature goes back down. This is called tempering, and we're going to bring it up to a very specific temperature, and that's going to make the chocolate hard. Otherwise, it's going to remain soft. And at this point, we can just dump in our cocoa powder, and that's when this becomes chocolate. Now, it's going to be very bitter because we don't have any sweetener in it yet. Of course, we can't use sugar, so I like using Swerve. Swerve is a erythritol and stevia blend, and they make a very fine confectioner powder. What I'm using is actually the granular type, which is why I had to use a mortar and pestle to grind it down into like a finer powder. So I'm going to be pouring onto a very small silicone tray, actually just using my French press, the glass insert of my French press. So I found this really cute silicone mold at Sur La Table at the mall, and we're going to be making these tiny little Hershey fun size bars. The first column, I'm just going to make regular ordinary chocolate just to see how it tastes. And the second column, I'm gonna do sea salt and almond slices. Sea salt works really good with sweet chocolate. The third column, I'm sprinkling a little bit of instant coffee on it to make these nice little coffee chocolates. And lastly, I'm using food grade orange oil and some chili sauce. If you don't like spicy, just omit the chili oil, but man, these orange chocolates taste so good. Orange and dark chocolate work so well together. I think I'm gonna make these in bulk, give them away for presents perhaps to all my keto friends. Anyways, these turned out so well, and bonus points if you can find some gold wrapper for it too to really make it authentic. Make sure you share the video with someone you know that would love it. As always, keep it keto and stay healthy. Peace.